Gold traded with moderate bullishness, hitting the highs at 33.4850 zone. Again, the same levels which we had mentioned earlier in the day and yesterday as well are going to remain the critical resistance at 38.4850. Yet again, proven out to be greater resistance. It has formed a double top from yesterday's level, while silver struggled on the upside and has in fact traded bearish and hit the lows at 36. Can we say that the lows are done? Are we looking forward to a rise? Big day today. The inflation data today should definitely bring more volatility into the metals prices here. Which direction it's gonna go, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical level, with every reasoning behind every level. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. See, gold on the early charts, if you look at the drop, the retracement, the drop, this is a prolonged retracement channel in which it is trading. It is very, very important for gold to trade below 3020 and 3320 and 3300 levels. Once it trades below this, we can say that the bears are back and we can look forward to a drop towards 3288.90 and 3276.78. If these two levels are taken, the bears are going to be extremely heavy here, where we can in fact look forward to 3260, 3248 and in fact lower levels. The direction it's going to take is going to be important. Remember, the drop, the retracement, once it comes out of this, it is going to be a bigger move, but not until 3300. Till 3300, do not treat this as bearish here. Stochastic looking down, the MACD crossing over here for sell, slight bearish sign it is. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts, the rise, the retracement, the rise, the retracement, the rise, the retracement, higher lows here. Very, very important. If you see it is staying below 3320, stay short for 3308, 10, 3300, and then 3288, 90, and the lower levels which we have discussed here on the early charts. Moving averages have converged but not yet crossed over. These are still staying on the sell side. Also remember, on the upside it has formed a double top here. This is very, very important. Thus we now understand that the bullishness in gold prices is only and only if it trades beyond 33.4850 zone. Stochastic looking down, the MACD has retraced, trying to converge crossover for sell. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 3 hour, similar observation on the 3 hour charts, rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement. Higher lows so far. Wait for it to stay below 3320 and then confirm more bearishness below this. Stochastic at top, the MACD almost flat. Though it has crossed over, it is trading in green. RSI is also staying flat here. Look at 4 hour, similar observation here on the 4 hour charts. See this, see this. This is trading in this narrow retracement channel. Let it come out of this and then the direction it's going to be a stronger one. Right now it is still staying bullish. Once it trades beyond 33.4850 zone, we can expect 33.62, 65, 33.76, 78, and then beyond this we can look forward to 33.88, 34.04 levels, though chances for which appears to be less. But yes, these are markets. Remember, rise retracement, and if it gives you a breakout, it is going to give another bullish move, which means a move beyond 33.62, 65 and 33.76, 78 should invite more bulls here, with the possibility of a move towards 34.04, 34.22, and in fact 34.40 will be higher. Stochastic is comfortably placed. The MACD crossed over for a buy, trading with moderate bullishness. RSI comfortably placed here. Coming to daily, now see on the daily charts, first rise retracement towards 20 period, second rise retracement towards 20 period. It has taken a support, trying to bounce back. Remember, it is closed in green, but notice first drop retracement. If it trades below 3300 today, we can look forward to a greater drop here. Be mindful of this, because this will be continuation of this momentum here. Drop, retracement, and the drop here should take the prices lower. Right now it is still staying bullish. It is not yet confirming bearishness here. Notice higher lows, higher highs here. The highs here towards 33.60, 62, 64 should be a stronger resistance. If that is taken, 33.76, 78, and if that is taken, you can stay bullish. Notice it is taking support from the 20 period so far. The stochastic has dropped, trying to bounce back. The MACD is the only thing which is trading with moderate bearishness so far, and the RSI is flat. So now see how easily under 3 to 4 minutes we analyze the charts and we have arrived at the levels. And if you're also willing to understand and learn this art of trading, you should take part in my 33rd mentorship batch. Now it's starting 16th of June. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you're just looking forward to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. Once you have your trades in place, it is important for you to have a place to trade the trusted partner, which can offer you swift free account at lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the trusted partner link also in the channel and video description. Now first is where you should buy. You can buy here at 33.36. Expect 33.40, 42 first, 33.48, 50 second. If these two levels are taken, you can stay bullish, though there will be an intermittent resistance at around 33.56. But I'll say it should look forward to 33.62, 64. If 33.62, 64 is taken, possibly the bulls will be active here towards 33.76 levels and then towards 33.88. If 33.88 is also taken, 3400 is a must. 3400, 3404 first target, 3422 second, and 3440. In any case, I do not expect gold to break 3440 zone if at all, even if it tries to trade bullish. Even I should say the struggle here around 3360 to 64 should be very, very strong, and in fact 3376 should be very strong resistance. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3326 levels, expected to move towards 332018 first target zone, 3308 10 second, then 3302 third. If these three are taken, stay short for 3288, 3278 levels. Below 3278, 76, stay short for 3260, 3248, 3234, and then 3220 levels. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see, after staying sideways, it has taken a huge hit. It has taken a short, strong drop here, move towards $36 levels. Now see bearishness diminishing here, and yes, it is formed higher lows trying to bounce back. It is also outside Bollinger Bands. A potential move towards 3640 can be seen here, but remember, bullishness in silver prices is only and only if it trades 3660, 3680 zone. Yes, if only and only if it trades beyond 3660, 3680, it's a reversal. Also notice it is forming a nice flag here. Thus it means it is very, very important for silver to trade beyond 3660, 80 in order to confirm the breakout on the upside. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD trading bearish. The RSI has dropped to the bottom as well. On the 2 hour charts, when you similar observation, notice drop, retracement. It has breached the 20 period and has come towards the 50 period moving average. Outside Bollinger Bands, putting pressure on the bands to expand. Possibly this could show you swings. It can move towards 3650, 60 and then again take a dip from there. Stochastic looking down, the MACD trading divergent and bearish. The RSI has dropped here. On the 3 hour charts, when you see this is a very strong support zone. Earlier in the day also I have mentioned till 3580, 3560 it has got very, very good support. Below this you can expect 3540 directly, and in fact $35 level should be seen. Stochastic trading bearish. The MACD crossed over trading bearish here. RSI has dropped as well. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation. After a while, the prices are now trading below 20 period moving average. So in fact, even if you see now silver trading below 3610, you can take a sell for 3590 and 3570 levels, below which you can expect 3540 and in fact $35 levels here. Yes, it has seen a stronger rise. It could drop sharp as well. Stochastic looking down, the MACD crossed over here, trading with divergence and bearishness looking downwards. The RSI, when you see, RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Coming to daily, look at the daily charts. Yesterday is one bullish candle. This is a second bearish candle here. It has erased the gains from this candle and it has come down to the support zone. Now, if you see it is staying below 35.70, 80, you can expect more bearishness to prevail. Possibly we'll see 35.40 and in fact $35 levels. Remember, the divergence of the price from the 20 period caused for it to converge. Now the 20 period sitting at around 34.50 levels. And thus once it trades below 35.40, more bearishness should prevail here. Stochastic extremely overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI overbought. So considering this, very, very simple. Buy at 36.40, expect 36.60 and 36.80 level. And if it trades beyond 36.80, stay bullish. It's gonna hit $37 levels as well. Beyond 37, sky is the limit. 37.30, 37.80 should be there very, very soon. On the downside, take a selling entry when you see the higher prices below 36. Expect 35.90, 35.70 and in fact 35.40 levels, below which $35, 34.80 should be seen as the next targets. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Do watch that as well. Thank you.